In school, we were taught that keyboards were an input device only. Well, it doesn't, push out any kind of information that a user can interact with. I mean, yeah, you can change the colors, you can do shit, but that's just for looks and nothing else. The computer cannot communicate with you through the keyboard. Or can it? Or can it? Well, here I have the solution. Well, yeah, it is a solution. So, what's the solution? Just to prove that a keyboard is an output device too. Okay, so what this is exactly? Let's just write in hello world. And we have let's to use. Or let's just write hello just yet, so it's not that long. So this program writes out Morse code with the LEDs. Yup, Morse code with the LEDs. This means that the computer is communicating to the user with these LEDs, even though the user has to know Morse code. So let's try it. If I click send, there we go. I'm going to turn off the lights so you can see it better. Voila, it writes hello. There's nothing else to say about it. It's international Morse code, not the American one or the other one that I cannot remember. So you can actually check which LEDs you want to use. So if I just want to use the LEDs numlock and the scroll lock, I can just do that. As you can see, it works. And in the meantime, I can interact with the one that is not being used. If you interact with them, if they're like blinking, well, you can fuck it up, so just don't do that. However, you can just type in whatever you want. And you can also change the intervals, so you can set how many milliseconds it needs for a short blip, how many milliseconds it needs for a long one, how many milliseconds it needs to, or how many millisecond gap should there be between characters, how many milliseconds should there be between words. So you can just check whatever you want and then just write in, I don't know, like that, and just click send and it blinks. Fucking amazing, isn't it? Take that, school system.